So recently someone asked me in the comment section if I could speak a bit more in the videos, and yeah, I just figured I'd explain a bit about what I'm doing. So this is the second part of the video, and yeah, I'm gonna try and strip some paint from this bike frame and then respray it so that it looks a bit fresher. My first plan was to use sandpaper and scrape the old paint off.
Two hours later.
So obviously the sandpaper didn't work. It just left me scraping the frame for like 2 or 3 hours, which was really frustrating, and that's why I just went to the hardware store and bought some paint remover. I didn't read the instructions. I was so irritated. I just chucked a whole lot of the stuff on there and then I let it stand. So the chemicals kind of have to react to the paint, and then they pull the paint off the frame. Once the frame was clean, I sanded it again just to make it nice and shiny, and then I went ahead and stuck down some masking tape and started to spray the bike. But I forgot to film that process.